The jungle क्या peaceful यार.
Bag hamro khojila. Too much fun. Good morning everyone and welcome to my vlogs. आज चाहिँ हाम्रो ट्रिपको डे 4. आज म छु यहाँ बर्दियामा.
तिमी नखान्छ किन? केटाहरू ब्रेकफास्ट खाँदैछन्. रेडी छ हाम्रो सफारीको गाडी. सफारी गर्ने गाडी तयारी मानसामान लोड गर्दै हुन्छ. त्यही गाडीमा आज हामी जाने जङ्गल सफारी भन्छु.
6:30 बजे उठ्यो अब चाहिँ
हाम्रो गाडी जङ्गल सफारी जाने. बाहिर फगी वेदर छ पुरै. ल ओइ केटा पछाडि हेर.
We've just left the resort and we're heading towards Bardia National Park. It already feels quiet out here, like the jungle is slowly taking over. I grew up in Biratnagar and I've spent a big part of my life in cities like Sydney. So being here feels like a complete shift from that. We don't have any plans today, we don't have any expectations. We're just heading into the forest and seeing what we come across.
ल हामी आइपुग्यौँ बर्दिया राष्ट्रिय निकुञ्जतिर, बर्दिया नेसनल पार्क.
दूरबीन कहाँ छ?
दूरबीन ब्यागमा छ. ल गाइज, ल बर्दिया बर्दिया.
वेलकम टु बर्दिया.
Before going any further, the guide gave us a quick rundown. This is a protected park, so we stick with the guide to keep things quiet and we move with a bit of patience. We don't rush moments here or try to control what we see. We just observe, slow ourselves down, and respect the space we are in. Once we are inside, it stops feeling like a trip and starts feeling like someone else's home. While we are waiting, this feels like the right moment to talk about Bardia itself. Bardia National Park was established in the late 1980s and today it's Nepal's largest protected national park. It's home to over 100 wild Bengal tigers, but what really defines this place is diversity. Bardia protects hundreds of species, mammals, birds, reptiles, all sharing the same forest and river systems. In a way, this park is a promise that wildlife here is given space, time, and silence, enough to stay wild.
Yeah, देखिए ना. हामी हाम्रो स्पटिङ गर्ने अर्को लोकेसन आइपुग्यौँ.
वाकमा
यहाँ
वाकमा आएपछि बिस्तारै उसमा कुद्नु सर हामी सफारी आउँछौँ. हामी टाटासम्म जान्छ हामी होइन.
पूजा भन्दै वाकमा आउँदाखेरि त्यतिखेर चाहिँ जान्छौँ देख्ने हामी जानुपर्ने सबै ठाउँमा जान्छौँ भने
हजुर into the wild. लाइन बनाएर सँगै हिँड्ने रे जङ्गलको गैँडा बसार रहेछ गैँडाको फेभरेट प्लेस अनि 1984मा सुरचोटी गैँडा ल्याएर यहीँ छोड्नु भएको रहेछ बर्दिया नेसनल पार्कभित्र चाहिँ चित्रबाट ल्याएर त्यहाँ चाहिँ यो गैँडा कि पराले हो कि
गरास भयो घाँस खान्छ नि तपाईँको यो
ए मजाले नपचाउँदो रहेछ नि त
होइन यो गैँडाको
खोला जस्तो रहेछ वहाँ पर पानी छ यहाँ पानी चाहिँ त सबै घाँसले छोपेको छ हाम्रो घुमेछ बसिरहेछ चिलमा छ डिप्रेस्ड भएछ बाघदेखि बाह्र डिप्रेस्ड भइसक्यो घुमेँ अथेन्टिक एक्चुअल बनभोज रिजोर्टको दायाहरूले त हामी व्यवस्था गरेर पठाउनु भएको रहेछ ए सामर्थ बर्दिया एडभेन्चर रिजोर्ट बर्दिया नेसनल पार्क
We take a break here for lunch. The guys at the resort packed this for us before we left, which honestly made the whole day a lot easier. We still haven't seen a tiger or a rhino, but the signs are everywhere, tracks, marks, little reminders that they move through this place even when we don't see them. And lastly but not the least, a genuine shout out to the team at Samarth Bhartiya Adventure Resort. They hosted us really well, kept things simple, and it was surprisingly affordable. By the end of the day, we had to accept it. We didn't see a tiger in the wild today. And honestly, that's just how the jungle works. But before we leave Bhartiya, there's something else I want to show you. Just outside the park, there's a protected enclosure where a couple of tigers are kept. Not for display, but because their story took a very different turn. It's not the sighting we came for, but it's still part of the place.
यहाँ चाहिँ हात्ती प्रवेश निषेध रहेछ तर दुईटा हात्ती छ
These tigers are kept here for a specific reason. They were captured after being involved in attacks near nearby villages, and releasing them back into the wild isn't considered safe. This isn't a zoo, so visibility was limited. When we were there, they were sitting deep in the corner, and by the time one finally moved, my cameras were already off. After this, we head into a tree house just outside the park in the community forest. Still quietly hoping the jungle has one last surprise.
र यो आजको हाम्रो नाइट स्टे ट्री हाउस रहेछ एउटा चेल त्यहाँ छ केटाहरू यहाँ छन् होइन अनि हाम्रो सामानहरू माल सामान चलाउँदैछ आज खानेकुराहरू जङ्गलको बिचमा भोलि बिहान उठ्दा टक्कै एक दुईवटा बाघ आइदिँदा भइहाल्यो नि ट्री हाउस भयो नि चारतिर उयो चाहिँ रहेछ है बाँसको खम्बाहरू के अरे काठको खम्बाहरू
गर्नै पऱ्यो
रुखमा मात्रै अड्काएको भए त
पहिलाको ढोका
यो चाहिँ
कस्तो भएछ क्या माथि त
ल हाम्रो ट्री हाउस हामी अलरेडी भित्र छौँ
मान्छे एउटा लिएर आएको
चेललाई
चेल त चढ्न जान्छ
दामी दामी
As the day winds down, we're at the tree house now, watching the sun drop, playing cards, just enjoying the moment. On the outside, it's peaceful, but somewhere in the back of my mind, the jungle hasn't really gone quiet. I keep thinking about those tigers in the villages around this forest. Why did those encounters happen? Who crossed whose boundary? And how did things reach a point where this felt like the only option? Maybe the real question isn't about what we saw today, but about how we learn to live alongside each other.